Putting the crabs in. Look at the fish. They're like, what the heck are those? Where's the other? Oh, there's the other one. Yeah, we're just hanging out in the boat. What? Yeah, the fish. Look at this baby. Fish are going crazy looking at it.
That just doesn't look good.
I know.
Where'd the other one go?
I think she went inside the little thing there. Well, there's Mr. Krabs and, was it Eugene Krabs?
Eugene Krabs and Mrs. Krabs.
Eugene Krabs and Mrs. Krabs.